Oh my god, I want to set my mom's hot dog on fire because it's a normal hot dog. And I can't set mine on fire, which is sad. And my mom
You know
would hate
why
me.
you can't set yours on fire, but you can set ours on fire?
This is made out of meat.
Yeah, and meat contains fat.
I know.
And so when it drizzles down...
Mine is made out of soy. Yeah, this is awesome. There's my dad over there in the dark, and there's my mom also in that dark. Hi. My mom is crazy. And she's fun, okay? Let's just say that. I'm gonna try to set it on fire. Oh, she's gonna kill me. My sisters.
Then I'll set your marshmallow on fire when we do marshmallows.
Mom, I like burnt marshmallows. There's a difference between you and me.
I like burnt marshmallows too.
I like burnt popcorn. I like burnt everything, including burnt chocolate, which is weird, but I do. Oh my god.
Okay, hand me my...
Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Oh god, that's weird. But yeah.
Yeah, you burned it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're not.
I actually didn't burn it because I didn't see it set on fire.
Just because it didn't set on fire doesn't mean that it didn't get burned.
Oh my god, that's a mosquito candle. Yeah. Dude.
That's what you call Southern crispy.
Totally.
Do you have your teeth in? No? Teeth? Crap. I thought she had her teeth in. She had to have dentures, which is sad. Although if I had dentures, I would probably, scare little children. I would scare little children with them. Because why not? Just like... That's crazy. I look creepy. Dude, I am stuck in leather boots, leather jacket, and a hoodie. Dude, this is awesome. I already made myself a veggie dog, which is awesome. But yeah. Dude, this is awesome. I'm happy. And there's a mosquito. Yeah, douchebags. They're little itty bitty douchebags. Like, this small. Kind of like my ex. I had to make a joke, okay? My ex, though.
This is what you call a smorgasbord of type A blood out with vampire frickin'
Mosquito
eaters.
bitches.
And up north we got a blood bank going on here.
Jade, you need to put Jeremy in his place for a little bit. Because Grandma's about to have at him.
Who?
Jeremy Hopper, the one that treats you like a sister.
Why?
Because he said that you look sexy on your picture and Grandma's having at it.
Dude, he's crazy. But it's okay.
All you have to do is say...
I'll message him later on, okay? I'll just tell Mom that it's okay, we're not... Yeah, it's just weird. But, yeah. Well, the mosquitoes here are probably vegetarian mosquito vampire motherfuckers. Hey, Twilight! It's like Twilight.
Really, they ain't attacking you, they're attacking me.
Dude, they've been attacking me, too. They've been eating my...
Yeah, that thing is closer to you than to me.
Right, I'm getting the shit bit up.
Yeah, because I'm a vegetarian, too.
Go figure, right?
Uh-huh.
That's why I like vegetarianism
This
in
Jeremy
summer.
guy, what's he like?
He's kind, he's funny, we hang out on IMV, well, we used to, of course. Let's just say this, he makes me laugh, we chill out, he's a lot of the time at work.
I sat there and checked him out and stuff like that. He's not...
He takes good photos, so yeah, I also told him happy birthday.
How old is he?
He's in his 20s, we just hang out on
Okay.
Facebook. It's not a big deal.
He's been on her
Facebook for like 3 years.
No, like more like 5
No,
years.
3. Because when I was in treatment and I went on Facebook and shit, That's when I was adding him and stuff. I told you about it. Luckily, no one got my Facebook during that time except for Sarah. Once I, yeah. Yep. This day, though. Fuck. Oh my god, I want to light something on fire, but that would be rude and...
What do you want to light on fire?
Oh no! A freaking hot dog. I want to light something that's food related on fire. Ooh, I wonder if you can do that to a chocolate thing. Oh wait, you can't stab it. Fuck. Why can't I light freaking chocolate on fire? You can burn chocolate as long as you can
Well, yeah, you can
waste a
burn
pan.
chocolate, or you can burn...
Marshmallows. Dude, you can even like burn graham crackers. Oh, that sounds so good. I've never burned a graham cracker yet though. Ooh, that's bright. Ooh, that's fucking bright, dude. Nah.
Yeah, make it bright because then they can fucking go over there and die.
Oh my god, that's awesome. Although you might wanna... Never mind, we're good. Oh, this is awesome.
I don't think we need any more flames.
Huh?
Or no need any more wood because they can go down because if we don't, then if we just keep it burning,
You might want to get some
be able
water
to
after
roast
this though.
marshmallows.
No, you don't need no water.
No! What I mean, like, when we're going inside and stuff, we're gonna need water.
No, you're not.
No, you're not. It'll just burn
So
out.
put it out?
No, you just put that cage on top and it'll put it right out.
I don't think we should do that, especially when we're here.
I'm not.
Neighbor might complain.
I'm not.
Honey, they have a fire pit. She has a fire pit.
But have they left
We
it
have-
out burning all night?
It's gonna
No.
go out.
It's gonna go out.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
Alright, whatever. I was just worrying. By the way, we got like a church there and a church over there. And one behind that church right there. Right next to us. Yep, it's messed up. Oh dude, I sound weird. Alright, I'm gonna cut this short. Yep, it'll work out pretty well. Alright. Peace. Say bye, you guys. Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. What? I'd be like, bye, bitches. No,